In this video, we will look at the possibility of subdivision modeling using geometry nodes. Geometry node does not yet provide loop cut function. The subdivide mesh is a bit limited, but there is no other alternative. If you apply dual mesh and subdivision surface, you can get a smooth result. Additional modifications are possible by adjusting crease levels. Let's look at some possibilities with subdivide applied as level 1 to the default cube. After selecting the edge loop, we will use the Set Post-Ion node to make additional transformations. After adding the Set Position node, we will select and adjust this loop. Add Position node, separate XYZ node, compare node. If you select those with a position value of 0 on the y-axis, this loop will be selected. And if you adjust the offset value, it will look like this, with the subdivision surface applied. With the subdivision surface applied as level 1, we will select this edge loop to further adjust the position. If you select points with a position value of 0 on the z-axis, this part will be selected. Additional adjustments are possible. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.